Natural gas. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1-hour chart. With our approaching back to positive MACD, we're off of oversold levels with the RSI. With the 4-hour chart, we remain in negative MACD, we're seeing signs of a converge. And as we extend that further to the daily chart, we remain in positive MACD. We're resting right along the 18-day moving average, this purple line at a price of $6.51. And as with the trade idea, I'll be trading UNG. My trade position size for is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $21.66, and that is this range here. My stop target is at $23.22. My stop loss is at $21.17. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $23.74, and that is this range here. My stop target is at $22.18. My stop loss is at $24.28. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, natural gas has a 50% chance to climb between 0 to 5%, and to the downside it has a 50% chance to fall between 0 to negative 5%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.